my Denisi, my hot jacket.
What?
I got to try my new Denisi D-Air
there
jacket.
it is. There's the D-Air.
God, it's heavy.
D-Airs arrived just in time, didn't they?
Yeah.
Thanks to Martin, the top man at Bike Stop.
Good old Martin.
He sorted them out. We got them yesterday and we go tomorrow, so we had one day to spare. But
my wardrobe.
super comfy.
Hold that.
And the bikes are in for now. There's the super.
On bloody film, are we?
Yes, you're on film with a wag name on film for a whole week.
Oh my god.
We've got the Super Duke and we've got the Tracer. All strapped down, all looking good. You've got to do that bit up first to start it off. So Waggy Top Man is way more clued up on strapping bikes down on things than I am, so doing the Panigale is in. He's having a little threesome with the other two bikes. He's in between the two of them.
Right, I've got to sign a disclaimer saying I'm not liable.
I'm the Denisi man.
Quick, get a hammer.
Loves it, look.
Hold on. It hasn't gone off.
Is the light flashing? Did it flash? I think yours might be dead. Did it flash at all when you put it on?
No, I didn't do that bit up.
Oh, you didn't clip it in.
That's it.
That should start. It might not be charged at all. Here we go.
Bleeping.
When there's no light, it means everything's good, Waves.
So it's only 40% flat, so it's still got loads of charging.
How did you know that?
One flash is 20%.
Yeah, look wicked.
Finds its GPS signal. They're real clever.
Jackets are,
Look.
Yeah, it's finding the signal.
jackets are the nuts. Love them. Love it. So the bikes are all in. Just got to strap them all down properly, and we're all good. Sorted. Right,
Brilliant.
we're getting there, boys. Wags is the master of strapping bikes down.
He's good at doing strap-on.
I'll claim that when we get there and they haven't fallen over.
He's the strap-on master.
Oh, I'm freaking filming it.
Oh, well done.
Watching him, and he's going to buy us a bike. Do you know that?
Well done. They put these climbing carbinas, whatever they're called, in the loop there and into that. So if it back hit a massive pothole or something, this bounces the hook out. That will hold it in place. That will hold the strap. Yo, boys are there. Look, Gary's yawning already. Wags is driving. It's just gone. I don't know what's the time. Oh, about 10 to 6 in the morning.
No, it's not. It's 7:04, you idiot. Oh, no, it's not.
Oh, yeah. It's more a dick. That's what time we get into the bloody train to the tunnel. So yeah, we'll be there at 7:04. So using the tom-toms that we use on the bikes. So all good. You can bike to won't it? Yeah, a couple of bikes. So yeah, on the routes. On camera. Right, over the bridge. It's a bit cloudy. There's the boys.
Fuck it, the back doors are coming open, the bikes are falling out.
I heard a clonk. What was that? But we're all good. Leaving the dark, miserable UK. Heading to Spain.
Don't swear too much on
Have a little bit. Bollocks.
We shouldn't laugh yet.
Where's the boys? They're over there. They're
They've been got.
They're getting their trucks scanned.
They're getting their a-holes scanned. Who's that? Someone's...
Greg. Yeah, they've gone. They've been strip searched over there. They got away with it.
Do you press to keep
no,
it?
there.
Oh.
No.
Boys,
Strip
I think they're going to be getting their a-holes stretched out.
Rubber glove time.
Look at his number plate.
It's new Vanquish.
15 ton.
Nothing coming your way.
No, clear.
Yeah, is that a new Vanquish?
Yeah, I think so. Going on the train. We're all good.
It's like a Mad Max film, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks like it's bronze. So we're off. Boys are ahead. We went the wrong way. We took a detour down the perimeter road. We're in the tunnel of love.
Isn't it?
And Aston Martin's 2 cars ahead, so go and check it out.
Doesn't pick.
Craig's gone to sleep.
Well, when you can put the bike up the ramp, you have a step near your ramp, and you just put it in first, trickle it up, and then you step up. Someone behind you.
It's the fact that when you get to the top, you don't fly off, isn't it?
Yeah, you even made it. We're in France. It's for the camera.
we are.
Nice, thank you.
Ah, that's great.
No litter, no graffiti. No, it's just their breath. Nice. A good weight to
Boys.
it. Cracks nicely, like I can see. 27. It's 27 gallon.
Beer.
26
Left the beer.
Really?
So in the morning, I thought if everyone's cool with it, we'll get breakfast at 8 and definitely leave here at 9. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is everyone happy with that? It's actually quite late.
Yeah.
Had a great first night in the Ibis Hotel in Angoulême. Spot on. Really good hotel. Boys are over there just loading their gear into the vans. So the little hotel was fine, quite basic, but it was €40 each with breakfast, so it was good value. Van's alright, it's good parking.
Speed cameras now, look.
He's not leaving it on there. So yeah, we're just loading our bags into the vans. We used seats, cushions from garden furniture to pad out the bike so the bags could fit down the side here. But yeah. Now's the hyper all loaded in.
I like the way it's
Good.
This is Matt, this is the Hyper, and this is loaded in.
I hope Greg strapped his down again. He loosened his off because he'd loaded it.
Darren's bought his mini moto bike with him. It was 2 minutes, isn't it?
So did you say fridge? What?
What's that?
Has everyone got a fridge? Plugged in? Nice, cool.
It's sitting here on the way.
What's in there? Look how much room they've got in the back of this van with just 2 of them in it and 2 bikes.
Yeah, look, enough for 3 people. Hi, I'm Matt. This is the Hyper.
You're a hyper. Isn't he?
Yeah, I think we did get caught for speeding on the way here a little bit, even though we're doing 80 odd miles an hour, but yeah, the cameras kept getting us, but not to worry. Right, we've got a 5-hour drive to Jaca through the Pyrenees, which is going to be a nice drive, nice scenery. And the 3, well, actually from Avis, but their budget has budget car and van rented on the sides, but they're from Avis. So yeah, the other boys just finishing breakfast, then we'll be on the road. Next destination, the Spanish Pyrenees. Baldy! Here comes Dazza, loading his gear up. Boys.
They are boys, aren't they? Bloody jibbos.
Yeah, they look a bit Jibbo-esque. Right, these tracksuit bottoms, he's Jib. Yeah, we're heading towards the mountains, towards Po, or Poo as we call it. So, we've got 202 kilometres to go. It looks like rain ahead, so definitely a bit wet. This part of the journey. It's not motorbike weather.
Oh no.
What did you just say?
You got your lights on,
Our lights are on, yeah. Dipped. Yeah, our sat nav is taking us down a sort of single track road, but we're all right. It's not too bumpy, but we're
We have had the last 700-800 miles on amazing smooth motorways.
Yeah.
I've got lights.
Fantastic.
So we're just in sort of some wide country area.
Bikes in the back.
Yeah, we've just got to take it easy. We've only met 1 car, but yeah, single track road now. But we're just heading to the D9 to Oleron.
A car?
No, there's no cars. So we're just enjoying the scenery. Still en route to Jaca. The other boys have stopped at Oleron for a McDonald's, so we're going to head to Jaca to the McDonald's there and grab a bite to eat quickly. So we're on a smooth road now, all the way through the border, through the tunnel, which is the border. Just check the bikes after that bumpy single track road, and my wheel strap would come off and the other strap at the front would come off, but they're held in by the wheel chock, so no problem. It's the boys, so we're about less than an hour away now. It's cool, like the rocks. That's not the bit I thought.
Agua.
Tres aguas.
Oh, fucking hell.
Take Coca. Yeah,
One
let's get
water.
Coke.
No, 2. 1, 2.
One,
Dos.
Yeah, dos.
dos. And la tercera,
And what? And milkshake. Do you do milkshake?
milkshake is not in the middle.
Not in the middle.
It's apart.
Coke
Have
or
a-
7 Up or water.
We'll have we'll have Anders. Oh, Anders. We'll have 3 aqua, 3 water then.
Three water,
Yeah.
vale. And fries normal or the LUBE?
Normal.
Normal. And milkshake. Milkshake with Oreo?
No.
No milkshake.
No?
No.
Only this or
Yes,
Ye-
we.
Yes.
that's all?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
18 with 60. Last ventanilla.
Right, my bike's out, Gaz's is out. Boys, we've got the vans lined up into the car park. Wags is just going to get his out. I think Greg's just taken his down, so we're all good. We're all good in the hood. Here comes Matt reversing his back. Yeah, bang it, go on, do it. Yeah, post, you idiot!
Why didn't you say something?
You cranked it.
Oh, it's you slapping
That
it.
wasn't me.
Matt's sitting in there going, what was that?
Be careful, hey, wait. Oh, it's undone, it's fine. Use your back brake.
Right, let's go.
That's the haze of the BMW.
Right, you let go now. I'm not getting really
There's the Ducati and the Honda.
Feels really weird, but it's all right.
So Gaz has gone down. Yeah. Hey, the high bar, number 4. Bikes has gone down there. We're nearly all out now. The old clouds in the mountains. Gaz, press the button. Going underground. Going underground. Press it again. Press it again. Do it. You having a ride on the back?
Yeah, I'm right there.
Park them, there's a few spaces near there, so.
We're going underground, going underground.
Oh god. He likes being behind Matt, look.
Love it.
Loves it. Come on, loves it, look.
He's so
The
good.
gate's not opening.
He's so butch.
You mentioned
He's
that.
so
Hello?
strong. Greg, he's so strong. I want to ride him.
I'm going to need a spanner. Has anyone got any spanners so I can sort my mirrors out?
I've got loads of spanners in that, dude, don't worry about that. No. I'll go down with it, put a lock on my bike. Might as well.
That's going down there.
That's my levers. Alright boys, park there. Park anywhere. Don't all go in the same space, just go anywhere you want, doesn't matter. Go there, I'll bring that to that one, that's fine. The Viper is loud. Yo, where's he going with the van? Oh, there's snow over there, look. Snow on the mountaintop. What are you doing? Trying to run me over. Look up there, dude. Look at the snow. Ooh. It's not really snow up there this time of the seasons. Hey, main course, grilled chicken and chips.
What did you order, Gary?
Yeah, I am Jamie Oliver. Yeah.
Look like a
Lamb chops.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.